பெரிவா சரணம் தெய்வத்தின் குரல் Book 6 Nandikeshwara Natakam, the divine drama of Nandikeshwara. For worshipping Ambal, there is Mantra Yoga Paddhati and the Bhakti Marga method. People in Mantra Yoga method should not look down upon the devotees in the other path. Look at them, they have no discipline, no systematic procedures, no intensity of worship, nor restrictions on diet and behavior, as we have. Simply singing bhajans and kirtans is no worship, I say. Similarly, those in the Bhakti Marga should not be thinking ill of the Sri Vidya Upasakas, saying, not knowing how to look at Ambal as our own mother, appreciating her beauty, her endearing qualities and power, and staying deeply engrossed in devotion. Instead, these people are simply chanting mantras and involved in yantra puja as though they are going to achieve mahasiddhis. It is all too pathetically selfish, isn't it? There is more than one path for the same destination. Each method is as suitable according to individual preferences. There could be some who are equally interested in both the approaches. So it is possible that our universal Mother Ambal could have decided that she should have one grantham each for her two sets of devotees. She could have wanted that the devotees in the Bhakti Marga should have some exposure to matters such as Mantra Shastras, Kundalini Yoga, and Sri Chakra Upasana, which are like endowments of our nation's hoary traditions. Mother could have thought, even though proper initiation such as taking Diksha, simply reading them as stotras may benefit to some extent. With that, when you add a portion with poems of high quality literary content, soaked in true devotion, it would be a wholesome treat indeed. She may have so evaluated her decision. Now, you may have yet another view, such as why bring in such an avoidably funny behavior by a respectable person as Nandikeshwara? Ambal could have simply ordered our Acharyal to write such a book as per specifications as she wanted. Our Acharyal had all the knowledge as required, I'm sure. Such an argument can also be given a reply to. We do not know as to what was there in the portions snatched by Nandikeshwara. Maybe they were not meant for the human world, but suitable for other types of existences. So Ambal could have thought of taking out only the portions suitable for human beings and then added some poems purely on the subject of devotion. More than all this, in this way, with the first part as having been written by Kailasha Shankara and the second half by Kaladi Shankara, by making them co-authors of the book, their oneness has been underlined. Maybe Ambal might have wanted to combine the Stuti by God and the Stuti by God's Avatara and make it into one book with the drama of Nandikeshwara. Again, you could raise another doubt. You could ask, why make Nandikeshwara waylay our Acharya? Ambal could have simply handed over only the 41 shlokas and told him, these 41 shlokas I have taken out of a book authored by Shiva himself. The balance 59 are not required for people on earth. Since it has been taken out of a Shatakam containing 100 poems, you could write 59 shlokas and add to this and give it publicity as a Shatakam. If that is your question, then my answer is that Ambal could not have done that. Though Kailasha Shankara and Kaladi Shankara are one and the same, the action by Ambal, as suggested in the above question, would have been a double insult to both. In the garb of an avatara, our Acharya was humility personified. That is why he has gone searching for them all the way to Kailasha to pay his obeisance to them. Now, to give him a portion of the Shatkam composed by Shiva, asking him to complete it would mean a lack of total decency and tact. That would mean a lack of understanding on her part, the ideal of Vinaya that our Acharya was personifying. But if a situation is created in which Acharya happens to lose a portion of the book, then to tell him to make it up would have been quite decently normal, simultaneously projecting the fact of their oneness to the world at large. Hence, the drama by Nandikeshwara was necessary. Perivar Sharanam.